Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Zcash. On a weekly time frame chart, Zcash has recently broken out a very big falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout, you can see that the price line is rejected by this quite long-term resistance of $32.50. By the way, previously, this resistance had been working as a very strong support here for several weeks. And before that, here it has been also working as a support. And now, for the past several months, you can see it is working as a resistance since after the month of May 2023. When we broke it down here, it is flipped into a strong resistance and the price and is once again got rejected by this resistance after breaking out this wedge. And now it is getting accumulated between the resistance of this wedge that is now working as a support and also above this support of $26.50 and this resistance of $32.50. At the same time, Zcash is also trying to break out this very, very long and huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud. Right now, it is struggling to break out this lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud. I'm expecting that as soon as it breaks out this next resistance of $32.50, then it can also break out this long-term, the upper bands resistance of this Ichimoku bearish cloud long-term resistance. And we will also analyze this move as well. And I would also like to show you this very, very huge descending triangle that is formed on the monthly time frame chart. And you can see whenever it is getting bounced from the support of this descending triangle, we are watching very, very massive pumps. Like, for example, when it was bounced here in the month of Feb 2017, then we had more than or almost 4,000% pump. After that, we again got another bounce, and this was almost 1,939% pump. And this time you can see that the price is again getting bounced from the support. And this time, if it will read the resistance, then it can hit the resistance somewhere here, approximately at $128. And we will also watch this move as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of March 2024. In the video's description, you just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for GLMR, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared the signal, for example, in this case, I shared the signal on 9th of March 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like, this is the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. And this was a quite massive pump, by the way. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Zcash. First of all, let me to show you this 7-day time frame chart. And you can see that since after the month of March 2021, when we found the support of this big falling wedge pattern, the price line is moving. It was moving inside this wedge, and finally here, in the month of Feb 2024, in the almost 2 months ago, we broke out the resistance of this wedge, and before the breakout, the price line also found another down trend line support, and this support was the reason that the price line was not testing the support of this falling wedge pattern. You can see we had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, and this was the last bounce that was happening here in the month of Feb 2024. Then we broke out the resistance of this wedge. Now we need to break out this long-term resistance of $32.50, a quite long-term resistance. You can see that for the past several months it is breaking out the resistance, and after breaking out this resistance of $32.50, soon it can also break out this very, very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. By the way, the next major resistance will be here at $50. And after breaking out this big falling, bearish cloud of the Ichimoku bearish cloud, it will be also flipped into a nice support, and it can also lift the price line to the upside, and the price line can easily break out the next resistance of 50 cents. Now we need to keep an eye on this support of $26.50 and also this previous resistance of the wedge that is now working as a support. On a monthly time frame chart, you can see that the price line is moving inside this very, very big descending triangle. And you can also observe that whenever it is getting bounced from the support of this descending triangle, then we are watching very, very massive pumps. And this time, for the past several months. You can see again it is moving at the support, and recently it is again geared up. And if we take a look at the stochastic oscillator, then you can see that it is coming out from the oversold zone. Previously, when it came out from the oversold zone here, then we had a very powerful rally, almost 2000%. And now again it is coming out from the oversold zone. Therefore, this time we can expect another very massive rally, at least up to the resistance of this triangle that will be approximately somewhere here between $127 to $130. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, that expected target is, by the way, here at the top of the wedge. That can be between $400 to $500. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.